In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin an email in Gmail. We'll walk through this simple process step by step, ensuring that you can easily keep important emails at the top of your inbox for quick access. Whether you're trying to organize your work emails or just ensure that you don't forget an important message, pinning can be a great tool. First, you'll need to navigate to Gmail, where we'll start by locating the email you want to pin. Open your Gmail account and go to your inbox. Once there, scan through your list of emails and identify the one you wish to keep accessible at all times. Pinned emails will appear at the top of your inbox, so it's crucial to choose ones that are truly important to your daily activities. Now, let's look at how to pin that email. In Gmail, there isn't a direct pin feature like in some other applications, but you can achieve a similar result by using stars. By starring an email, you can effectively highlight it and easily filter it to the top of your view. To do this, find the star icon located next to the email you want to pin. Simply click on this star and you'll notice it changes color. This indicates that your email has now been starred. To make sure your starred email is easily accessible, you'll need to enable your inbox to show starred emails first. Go to your settings by clicking on the gear icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail page and select See All Settings. Here, you'll find several tabs and you'll want to navigate to the Inbox tab. Within this tab, you will see Inbox Type. Click on the drop-down menu and select the Starred First option. This setup ensures that any email you choose to star will automatically appear at the top of your inbox, similar to how a pin function would work. Having completed those steps, return to your inbox. You'll notice that the email you starred appears prominently at the top, easily visible and accessible whenever you need it. This star system is a flexible way to mark essential emails so they stand out among all other messages. If you ever want to unpin or remove an email from this priority list, simply click the star icon again to deselect it. The email will move back to its original position within your inbox. By starring and prioritizing emails like this, you declutter your inbox and make sure important messages don't get lost in the shuffle. Using this method regularly will help you in efficiently managing your daily communications. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you stay organized and on top of your emails.